name is Michael Anthony. My primary company is AI for Privacy, where we help redact private information from unstructured text.
I am Juan Romero. I work in PhotoILike. PhotoILike is a startup that provides an artificial intelligence system able to detect the beauty or the commercial attractiveness of the images.
My name is Tamio Singu. I'm the LeanLink co-founder and chief commercial officer. What we are doing at LeanLink is that we're providing smart data analytics solutions for the African telecoms market.
I'm Charles Dixon, founder and CEO of Wemix. Wemix is the new upcoming social media that will change the way we interact with people. So we are going to build AI lounges at different airports across the globe.
The masterclass was great. We had speakers from Greyhound Capital Partners, Clara, and then we have Professor Curtis Carlson, who taught us how to do really proper presentations. And I was even lucky enough to get some of his feedback and understanding from many years of experience.
The conversation with UNIDO was really enlightening in terms of the collaboration with the UN and the projects in Africa. You know, all these projects and all this willingness to help the local businesses and to empower women as well in the industry today with the use of AI.
The AI is really, absolutely, really relevant, and most of the talks, even not the talks about AI, at the end talk about AI. That's very interesting for us because, okay, we are experts in artificial intelligence in aesthetics or in commercial attractiveness. Companies are not all aware of the real possibilities of artificial intelligence. So maybe to put an expert into the talks, an AI expert into the talks, or put an AI expert into the companies.
It was interesting to see that the young ones, I heard yesterday, more than 70% of them do care about the environment, about the future, and more than we that are much older. So that's an eye-opener, and I want to see what part can I play, how can I implement what I hear from this conference in my own company going forward.
And we learned a lot about resilience and how we can bounce forward rather than bounce backwards to the original situation.
Absolutely nice here. The place is nice, fantastic. The people are fantastic, and I will love to do it again.
We're really fortunate to be here, and we're excited with the partnership going forward, given the technological leadership of Huawei, as well as these extensive footprints in the African telecom market. And we were excited also to serve our customer better using the Huawei cloud infrastructure.
I can say from my heart, I love you, and I'm looking forward to working together with Huawei.